Why isn't Coinbase leaving the US? I got that plus much more. But first, CoinGecko now has a page for the top alleged SEC security coins. But if you're a CT Club member, link is down below, you would know that many of the micro caps that we have been getting into that have been skyrocketing lately aren't on that page. So no worries about the SEC. These are very low cap coins. But now you have to check this out. This is how bad the economy is before I get into this Coinbase stuff. In 2021, you had a $500,000 house with 3% interest rate. The payment was $2,108. 2023, $500,000 house, 7% interest rate, $3,327 payment. Ouch. Good thing the Federal Reserve is backstopping and buying up mortgage-backed securities. Yep, you know they're doing that. All right, let's go on to this. In August 2022, the U.S. Senate passed a bill to hire 87,000 new IRS agents to investigate citizens' finances, right? But in November 2022, the US Pentagon failed its 5th consecutive audit, unable to account for 61% of its $3.5 trillion in assets. Guys, it's all a money laundering scheme. They can get away with anything they want, and it's never going to stop no matter who gets elected, right or left, doesn't matter. They're always going to get away with this. Now, back to Coinbase. Why isn't Coinbase leaving? Well, let's go over this really quick. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong reportedly adamant that his company is staying in the US amid legal actions from the SEC, which is strange because just recently, you had Hong Kong legislator Johnny Ng inviting Coinbase to operate in the country. So he's like, hey, here's your red carpet. Come and operate here. No. Why is this? Guys, BlackRock owns the world and they own Coinbase. Yes, you heard it here first. They own Coinbase, they own the SEC. They own the FDIC, they own everything. So enjoy the show. And over the past 5 years, Coinbase has showed what a great asset they would be to BlackRock because they've been selling customer data to the highest bidder over the past 5 years. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Yes. Now, the biggest joke of the day, even bigger joke than what I just told you. Presidential candidate Vivek Ramaswamy says he will fire 90% of the Federal Reserve staff if elected in 2024.
Oh, man. He gets it.
Wow, yeah, he's gonna do it. He's the right guy for you. You gotta really vote really hard, you know? Exactly. So anyways, enjoy the clown show that's gonna go on. I'm not gonna really pay attention to it because it's not worth my time and energy. I'm in for finding low cap coins that are going to skyrocket during this next bull market in that CT Club. That is where you will find me. And you will find me at Sir Crypto Tips on Twitter or whatever, X. I'm going to keep saying Twitter. Screw X. This is such a dumb name. Anyways, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.